Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix broken font links on Shopify. So, broken font links on a Shopify store can disrupt the website appearance, leading to a poor user experience. This issue usually occurs due to incorrect font URL paths, deleted font files, or unsupported font formats. Here's how to fix it. Step 1 is identifying the broken font. So you can check for the missing fonts in the browser console, open a store in a browser, right click on that page and click on inspect. Now, so you can click on the console icon and you can look for any errors related to fonts like 404. Note that the font file and URL that is broken, then review your font reference in your theme. Navigate to Shopify admin, navigate to online store, navigate to themes, click on edit code and open your CSS or SCSS file, example theme.css or theme.scss.liquid, then search for @fontface or font related code to locate the broken link. Now, step 2 is correcting the font file path. So if your fonts are custom, ensure that they are uploaded in files in your Shopify admin. Now, make sure that you uploaded the font file with .wff, .wff2, .ttf or .otf if they are missing. Now, replace the broken font links with the correct URLs. You can use the Shopify's hosted file URL if you uploaded the font to settings and files. Now, you can use Google Fonts or third-party fonts. So if you're using Google Fonts, ensure that the link tag for the font is correct in your theme's theme.liquid file and inside the head section. Also, verify the external font URLs from Adobe Fonts or other providers and ensure that the correct API key is included if required. Now, you can clear your browser cache to ensure it's loading the updated font files. Click on three-dotted icon at the top right, click on Settings, choose Privacy Search and Services, click on Clear Browsing Data, click on Choose What to Clear, choose all these and click on Clear Now. And that could also fix your problem. Now you can also open your Shopify store on multiple devices and browsers to confirm that the font loads properly everywhere. And fixing broken font links on Shopify involves identifying the broken paths, uploading the correct font files, and updating the URLs in your theme's code. Use a reliable hosting for custom fonts or integrate Google Fonts for seamless results. Test across devices to ensure a consistent user experience. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.